Good evening, everyone, and welcome to today's edition of Beyond the Ordinary Show. And y'all, I have been waiting for this interview, for this connection with A.L. Garris today. I've met her at Conscious Life Expo, and the second I saw her, it was like a magnet. I just knew that we had to connect, and it felt like a meeting of souls. It felt like I met someone who can just pierce into my heart and would know my soul just so profoundly. I don't think I'm unique to having that effect. So many people that I met that were familiar with AL's work and were not so new to it, that were really there to see her at the Conscious Life Expo, we're sharing the same sentiment. And there's something that gets provoked and gets evolved. And it helps us truly, our topic today is to remember more of who we are.
I was understanding this was an ascension modality, this Acasma quantum energy, the work I do. This group that I work with is us. Yeah, it's us. It's us in what we would understand as our future. Yes. I always refer to the movie Interstellar with Matthew McConaughey and Anne Hathaway, and they have this one scene where they realize it's them helping them, future self, higher dimensional space of them. And that's what we're doing. That's who showed up face to face, in a sense. That's who was moving my clients' arms and legs and so forth. It is connected to many higher dimensional beings of light, but this is what's happening to the human. We are moving, yes, into this alignment of ourselves, this new human, this new earth. Yes, it's a vibratory state of being. The light is here. It's very important we all understand that phrase. Yes, they want us to understand that, yes, we are part of them and they are part of us. Yes, and there's no separation. Yes, and when they say the light is here, yes, in 2019, it was in connection with the balance coming in that was needed. Because the light, yes, was at such a, lower level in comparison to the densities that may have been playing out in human history, societal structure. So, yes, the first thing the light did was bring in balance. And it's important we make note of that, because a lot of times as light workers, as enlightened ones, as spiritual community beings, this glorious space of us we have here, a lot of times we can get in a space or cycle or program of rebuke the bad, cast out the evil, be the warrior of light. But there is a lot to say about understanding balance and allowing balance to come in. Yes. And then allowing you and I and all of us to listen with our hearts more instead of our heads, and allowing that I am that we are to flood in through the form. So as you're being it, as you're functioning at that, yes, consciousness level, now you look around and you see a whole different group around you. You know what I mean? Yes. And so this is who we are. This is who we are working with. It's spaces of ourselves and it's higher dimensional beings of light. Yes, that are here to assist humanity. Yes.
That's beautiful. Thank you for explaining it and putting in those terms. It's also resonant and grounding, if you will.